Lear English idioms with blue. Blue blood. Used to describe someone who comes from a noble or royal family. Due to his blue blood, he has always lived in luxury. Once in a blue moon. Something that happens very rarely. We go out to eat once in a blue moon. Black and blue. Bruises from a hit or impact. He punched me until I was black and blue. Monday blues. A feeling of sadness, anxiety, or lethargy at the start of the week. Most of the employees feel less motivated and always have Monday blues. Feeling blue. Used to describe someone who's feeling sad or down. She has been feeling blue ever since he lost his job. Blue chip. Profitable companies are regarded as secure investments in their industries. Buying shares in blue chip companies is always a sound investment. Out of the blue. Something that happens unexpectedly and without warning, like a surprise. His resignation came out of the blue. Blue collar. Refers to people who do physical work rather than mental work. My father has been working a blue-collar job as a carpenter. Into the blue. To step into the unknown with adventure and uncertainty. She packed her bags and drove into the blue with no idea where she were going. Do something until you are blue in the face. To repeat an action or statement tirelessly without success. You can argue till you are blue in the face, but I am not going to change my decision.
To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.